This is the third of a series of videos in AutoCAD, this case 2017, how to make this simple sawhorse design. We've extruded the top boards, laid them flat on the ground, and raised them up to ergonomic 36-inch height for the top. We aligned one leg. Let's 3D mirror this leg to replicate it to the left side of the sawhorse, and then 3D mirror both legs to build the legs at the opposite end of the sawhorse. The 3D mirror command is this two ice cubes with a slash between them. It says select objects. Of course, select the one diagonal leg we built and hit enter. 3 points is the procedure we want. These other options may be quicker, but 3 points can do just about anything you want to do, with the exception maybe of view. But 3 points is extremely powerful tool. So let's use that. Hit enter to use the 3-point method. I want the mirroring surface or plane to split this inverted T right down the middle. So pick 3 midpoints that are not in a line. That'll define our plane. The last question is, do you want to delete the originals? No. Hit enter. Zoom out and take a look. Repeat the process, about 3 midpoints not in a line. About the middle of the top inverted T. So that would be 3D mirror, select the 2, hit enter, and any 3 points here, 3 midpoints, will define a plane about which to reflect the 2 legs. Hit no. There's our 3rd and 4th leg. Let's change to conceptual. 3D orbit a bit. The legs are through the ground. We'll slice them off and we'll trim the top points in the next video.